I'm Jan.
And I'm Tracey, and we are here in Galveston, Texas, getting ready to go on the NCL Escape.
All right, so we're in Terminal 2, just right next by here. NCL is getting ready to build another new terminal here. So here we go.
So the line wasn't too long to get through security. Jan timed it in at 11 minutes, and now we are going into the actual NCL area. We are Platinum here, so we were supposed to get priority boarding. We'll see how that works out. So once we got through, we went to the priority desk, and it took 7 minutes to check in. It's not really busy right now, but we're in a 10 o'clock slot here, and I think it's going pretty fast. Okay, so we are getting closer. We are turning the corner to get onto the ship, and then we're going to go see how things go.
23 minutes from curb to ship.
Jan said that this was a faster boarding than even the Oceana was last week, so we're off to a good start.
All right, so total boarding time was about 23 minutes. That's actually about, that's not bad at all. So, and even though we were in priority, because we have our platinum level, quite frankly, we were looking over at where the general passengers were going on, and quite frankly, I don't think they were going very much slower at all, because it wasn't all that, it really wasn't all that crowded. Now, we did have one of the earliest boarding times, maybe the earliest time, so you know, people later might have been a little bit longer, but yeah, 23 minutes from curb to ship, not bad at all. All right, now once we got on board, of course, the first thing we did is do our muster station. We also found out that since the Escape did not have any passengers on it for the previous 3 days, because it was basically doing a transition, it's 10:30 in the morning and our rooms are already ready, so we're gonna go drop our stuff off.
Not only was our room ready, our bags beat us to the room, and that never happened. And we discovered the fish are back, missing from the NCL Prima. If you want to know which way is to the front of the ship, just follow the fish. Enough with the fish, let's check out our room. With our bags dropped off in the room, it's time for lunch.
On embarkation day, you have a lot of different options here on the NCL Escape. So starting at the top of the ship, you have the American Diner, which is kind of a classic diner type food. You go to the Garden Cafe, which is on 16, and that is a typical buffet on the aft of the ship. You can go to Oceans, and that is on decks 6 and 7 overlooking 6, and that's more of like pub food, and that's open 24 hours a day, but specifically on embarkation day, that's available. And then they do have 2 of the main dining rooms, Taste and Savor, on the midship of 6, where you can go and get your first meal.
On embarkation day, we rarely eat in the buffet as it tends to be too hectic, so we ate at the Taste main dining room. The food was hot and good, which is a pretty good start. Let's go explore the ship. Exploring the ship was interrupted when Tracey discovered that the interactive displays you'll find in the corridors, they allow you to make reservations for dining and shows. So, in just a few moments, our entire week was scheduled. Unfortunately, the rain in Galveston put a bit of a damper on the sail away. They even moved the sail away party into the atrium. But that didn't stop us from watching us cast our lines and begin to sail away on what would be a wonderful week in the Western Caribbean. After the sail away, it was to the atrium where Tracey and I battled wits in trivia. Our first night's dinner was in the Manhattan room, the largest of the 3 main dining rooms on the ship. The service was exceptional, the entertainment during the meal set the right mood, and the food was surprisingly better than we expected. While our previous NCL cruises since the pandemic had left us wanting more, this first day on the NCL Escape made us excited for what the next 7 days would bring. To see how this NCL cruise compared to the other 8 cruises we took this year, watch this video. And as always, keep on traveling.